Alright guys and girls, won't offend anyone. We're just about to show you how to do a back squat with good form, and then I'm going to show you a variation of a back squat too. The variation will is there because it's ideal for anyone that's got mobility issues or inflexible hips. But we'll show you how to do that as well at the same time. So first thing with the back squat, you'll walk over to the bar, obviously making sure it's at the right height, which the bar is at the moment. When you go underneath the bar, you want to make sure that the bar's resting on your neck. Okay, so it's not on your neck, sorry, on the back of your shoulders, because otherwise it'll put too much pressure through your neck. Now your hand position can alter. Some people like the hands here, where mine are right now. Some people find it comfortable out here. Some people do a different hand grip because they find it more comfortable. Again, it's finding what's right for you and what's most comfortable. Okay, so for this demonstration, I'm going to keep my hands in a neutral position. Okay, overhand grip, thumbs underneath the bar, and then what you're going to do is from the position I'm standing in right now, is I'm going to lower myself down, my feet will be just over shoulder width apart, and I'm going to slowly squat down, seating down like you would onto a chair, and then hit 90 degrees, drive back up. Okay. Put that down. So, with a back squat, or any form of squat, there's lots of different angles that people have with this exercise, and not everyone is designed to sit down full bumped ass to grass. Let's call it ass to grass. And what I mean by that is sitting down right down here. It's not suitable for everyone. So as long as you're getting down to 90 degrees, so when you're coming down with the bar, you're down to that position there, then we know we're acting a good range of the muscles and the front of the thighs which are working. Okay, and then more towards the top of the move, you're going to get all your bum muscles firing up. So, what I'm going to just show you now is a variation. Now, if you've got any hip issues, like me, I have issues with being locked up around here, and I'm not very mobile, which I'll show you another video on of how you can identify. But with this variation, it's called a heels elevated squat. A heels elevated back squat. If you have any mobility issues in the hip, heels elevated will help you sit more down, so you can get more range of motion into the muscle, which means you're going to work you harder, work the muscle for a bigger range of movement, and activate better. All right. Okay, so I'm just going to show you that. So what you're going to do is, if you haven't got a proper wedge, then we can use weight plates. You're going to put them roughly where your foot position is. Now again, we can alter foot position dependent on what muscles we want to stimulate more. But for this demonstration, I'm going to keep it about shoulder width apart. We're going to do the same stuff again, getting underneath the bar, back onto the back, onto the shoulders. And then what I'm going to do is from there, I'm going to get my heels just onto the edge of the plate, so the heels are supported by the plate, and then from that position we're going to squat down, putting the pressure through our heels. Okay, so down, 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 drive up. And what you'll probably notice is I'm actually getting a lot more depth by doing that. I'm being able to sit down a lot lower, but still keeping my back and my chest up in the right position to keep good form. Do you want to, should we show them sideways on, Sam? Yeah. So we'll just quickly show you a sideways on as well, angle. So under the bar, onto the back of the shoulders. Don't rest it right up here, because that can hurt your neck. So onto the shoulders, step back. And then put heels onto the plates. And then from there, chest out, looking forwards, rather than looking down, because that's when you get neck strains. You're going to lower down, 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 drive up. Okay, down, 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 drive up. Okay, so you might need to watch this a few times. You might need to practice it a little bit. But hopefully that's given you a bit of an idea on how to work a back squat properly with some good form. And like I say, we'll keep bringing some more of these in with different variations to show you the reason why you do them and what you're going to do them for. Okay?